Hi, this is Vicki with My Paper Connection. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in the United States, and today I'm going to make these fun Christmas tags for you. They actually come from the tag buffet that's in the mini catalog. Pardon this thing, it is well loved, it's been used a lot. But it comes from the mini catalog. You can make 30 tags with it. It's $30. There is a stamp set that you can purchase separately. I did not choose to purchase the stamp set because I had so many stamp sets that had sentiments that I could use already. But it's awesome. It comes with a really nice box, lots of different cutouts, the tags themselves, banners, and also with some twine. A couple things I wanted to tell you about before we get started. The first is Stampin' Up! For the month of December is hosting a designer series paper sale. There are 15 different designer series papers that they are offering for sale, on sale, for 15% off. I'm hosting a promotion as well. If you purchase 3 packages of the papers that are on sale from my online store, then you get a 4th package for free from me. And it's your choice of paper depending on if they have it in stock and everything. But it would be one of the sets that is on sale. Okay? I would love to gift you that 4th package of paper. The last thing I wanted to tell you about is my next online card class that's coming up. I'm using the Most Wonderful Time set of paper and embellishments and that sort of thing. There's 4 different cards, 3 of which are fun folds. How fun is that? And then this one, that is a standard card. They're all beautiful. They all have a little gold shimmery that's going on with it. Not only do you get the 4 designs, you'll get all of the cardstock and whatever's necessary to make 20 cards total. That's 5 each of each one of these cards. If you're interested in purchasing this, the deadline for sign up is October 30th, and all of the kits will go out the first week in November. Okay, so without further ado, let's get started. As a part of this kit, you receive instructions for the tag buffets. It shows you how every single one of the tags are made, what to stamp on them, what colors to use, all of that sort of thing. Then you receive these background tags that are pre-punched with a hole in them already. Then you receive the front tags. You also receive banners, and then you have all these different punch outs that you can use. I purchased this to use at my Christmas in July class, and everybody had such a good time making tags. It made it so easy to be able to do so. The first one I'm going to do is the Christmas tree. And what I'm going to do with that, I'm going to punch it out. It's very pretty. It has gold trim on it right in here. I'm going to use real red, and I'm going to punch out a banner or a tag right here. And I will use the set that says, "Oh, Christmas Tree." Yep, I'm going to do that in red. Line it up. Just stamp, "Oh, Christmas Tree." Let me make sure I'm lined up correctly. There we go. I think I might trim that off a little bit. I'll bring my little mini trimmer in because it's quite a large piece. So I'm just going to trim that off just a little bit. That's perfect. I think there was supposed to be a little bit bigger sentiment for it, but it's perfect for what I'm doing. Okay, then I'm going to use my dimensionals, and I'm going to pop the Christmas tree up on dimensionals. When you're dealing with things like stickers and die cuts and things like that, it really does look better if you use dimensionals to pop it up. It gives it that extra, I don't know, more of a finished look than you get if you don't do that. Okay, I'm just going to stick this right here. I'm going to use mini dimensionals on this. And I'm going to put one on each side, and I'm going to kind of straddle it over the Christmas tree. I don't want to build, I don't want to add dimension on top of that because I don't want it to get too bulky. Just going to do it just like that. And then I'm going to bring in one of the backgrounds, punch the little hole out. Stick it right in here. And I'm going to bring in a piece that is, I don't know, let's see, maybe 7, 8 inches long. And I'll just trim this off. Super, super easy to put it on. You basically just go through here like this, pinch it together, put it through the little hole right here, pull it through in the front, and there you go. And you have a tag made. I could probably put some embellishments on there to make it even pop a little bit more, but I think it's gorgeous just the way it is. Okay, so now let's do one of the ornaments. Here we go. Here's an ornament. And I will choose one of these and a green background, I think. Maybe, let's go with one of these. Okay. And let's see what we have that can go across it like this. Let's see what stamp set. The most wonderful time of the year. Let's do that. And we're going to go with the red again, the real red. So let's stamp this right here. The most wonderful time of the year. Okay. And we're going to go ahead and put this on dimensionals. And look at me. I got stuff scattered everywhere, don't I? Does that stress you guys out? It does me. I have to have a tidy environment when I'm working, or I just can't think. So every now and then I have to shove stuff out of the way. So I'm just going to place this right in here. Make sure I got it even. And then I think I will use, I think I will just go ahead and put, I know it's building it on top of it, but it'll be okay. Just put this right across here. You want to make sure that you're not showing the dimensional in the back. Okay, these are perfect for putting on your gifts. I'll tell you a stamp set that I found that I've used a lot, and to be honest with you, I wasn't really sure if I would use it a lot, but I really have. It's Banner Year. It's got all kinds of different designs on it. It's got Christmas, Halloween, I think maybe some fall, and it's got some really great sentiments and little pictures. Okay, I brought in some gilded gems, and I think these will be really pretty on here. Just like this. Just bring in a little bit of gold. Okay, so there is my second one done. You see how quickly these are coming together? The next one I'm going to do is going to be with the stocking. Okay. And I will choose, let's see, I think I'll use one of these with the stars and maybe one with the holly right here. Okay, I'll put these up on dimensionals. They're so easy to make, and you could use the same sentiment if you wanted to, really. It wouldn't be necessary to have to change it up all the time. Okay, I brought in some shaded spruce, and I'm using the sentiment A Little Something for You that comes from Wrapped in Christmas. I think that's perfect with the stocking. Okay. I have to close these up, sorry, but I am too much of a messy maker. I just have to make sure my mess, any potential for mess is covered. I'm going to put a little bit of glue right in there. What I'm doing is making sure that I'm not doubling up on top of it. So I'm going to go ahead and take these dimensional covers off. and put this on here. I'm going to do it a little bit at an angle, like that. Again, I'm going to bring in my little gold thread. You know, if you have ribbon that is the right color, you could also use ribbon with it. But this gold thread is perfect because every piece that you are provided with has gold in it somewhere. So it really is perfect to use. I can see on the back of this one I had stamped to and from. And there is, I think that is from, yep, from Banner Year. There's a to and from. And that's perfect. And I'll end up doing that on all of these as well. So there you go. I've got 2 more I'm going to do. 3 more, sorry. But you see, they go quickly. I'm going to go ahead and punch these out so we're just a little ahead of the game. We're going to get these last 3 done really quickly. I'm going to bring in my Real Red and my Shaded Spruce. And I'm going to do piece for this one. I'm going to do it in Real Red. And I already have my little banner I'm going to use. Hopefully I can do this without getting my head in the camera. There. Okay, this one it's the most wonderful time of the year. We're going to do that with our pretty little cardinal. I love cardinals. I used to live in St. Louis, and for years, for 17 years, love the Cardinals baseball. And I also love the bird, the cardinal bird. Even living in Georgia, I have cardinals that visit me from time to time. They're so pretty. Okay, stamping done. Now let's just put them all together. I had to go with a bigger one because my sentiment was thicker than this. So, okay, so let's go ahead and pop these babies up. Okay, so we're going to start with our gift, and we're just going to put it right here like that. I was going to use this one, but it covered it, and the only thing you could see was that, so I thought this was the perfect one for it. All right, so let's take this one with the pretty, pretty bird. We're going to put it right in here, like that. Everything's sticking to me. And let's do it like this, and then most of those little holes will show. Let me see if I can move it just a little bit. There we go. Okay. Something for you. Okay. So we'll just stick these on. I'm just going to go ahead and use dimensional. So you know what? They're not going in an envelope. So it's not a big deal. Okay, I'm going to do a little trick on this one. I am going to trim some of it off. And it's not really a trick, but it's still going to be pretty even. It's still going to have the little banner things. And look, perfect. Just the right size. Okay, it was just covering up too much of that beautiful, I think I'm going to put it down here like this. Covering up too much of that beautiful bird. Okay, we'll just go ahead and do this one as well. And I'm going to trim this off right about in here like this. Okay. I'm going to put this right here because I want it to touch, but I don't want it to hang off. And then I'll just put a little glue right in here like this. I don't want the dimensional to be seen from the back. So that's how I did that. Now let me just add these. I won't talk, I'll just add these on. And then I'll show all of them to you. Okay, let me show you what I've got so far. They're gorgeous, aren't they? Look, how pretty. So, so pretty. Don't you love them? So, so pretty. I've got a nice start for Christmas now. And they were so easy to do, and I still have a ton of them left to do. So, all right. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you saw how easy it is and how you can easily put together 30 tags just like that. And you know what? If you didn't want to do just tags, you could use a lot of, you could put these on a card. You could use either one of these, including the stickers on a card. And that would be perfect. So anyway, I hope this inspires you to make tags of your own. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you really like it, hit subscribe and ring the bell, and you'll get notice whenever other videos come out. If you'd like to be a part of the online Christmas card event, let me know. I forgot to tell you that there will be a PDF and a video that goes along with it. All right, so thank you. I hope you have a great day. Bye.